Hello students, as we all are in lockdown, so I have prepared one video for you on the topic kinds of sentences. We all know that sentence is a group of words which has some complete meaning or thought. There are different kinds of sentences. Broadly there are two categories. First, classification according to their use, and second, classification according to their form. So in this first video I will discuss you about the classification according to their use. Let's see kinds of sentences. First, we should know that what is sentence. A sentence may be defined as a group of words that contains a subject. Subject is the doer of any action, and a predicate means the rest part, and expresses a complete thought means should have a complete meaning. For example, the baby is smiling, in which baby is subject and smiling is predicate. So let us see another example. My pet is a koala. Subject is pet and koala is predicate. Now sentences are classified in two ways. First, I have told you according to use, and second, according to form. So in this video I will explain you classification of sentence according to their use. According to use, sentences are termed as first, declarative sentence, second, imperative sentence, third, interrogative sentence, and the last one is exclamatory sentence. Now what is declarative sentence? As we all know, as the name denotes, declarative means it is declaring something. वो कुछ declare करता है और it states something. Now don't think कि declarative sentence में only positive sentence will come. Both positive as well as negative sentence will come in declarative sentence. So definition, a declarative sentence is one which states or declares something, जो हमें कुछ state या declare करता है, or one that states a fact. Fact means any universal truth, जो कि universal truth है या कोई fact है, that also comes under the heading declarative sentence. Now we can see the how it forms, or we can say what is the structure. In a declarative sentence, the subject usually comes before the verb. So verb से पहले क्या आएगा? Subject. It starts with a capital letter and ends with full stop in writing. And when we are writing any declarative sentence, तो किससे stop होगा? With a full stop and a drop in pitch in speech. And when we speak such type of sentence, then there will be drop in last. Let's take an example. The students are playing basketball. So the students is subject and basketball is the predicates. Let's take other examples. Students study their lessons. He is the owner of the lot where our house stands. Next example, I am a teacher. And the last is the sun rises in the east. So this will declarative sentence and it comes under heading universal truth, or you can say it is a fact. Chilies are spicy, you can say, that also comes under the declarative sentence and which is universal truth. Now let's take second type, imperative sentence. Definition, an imperative sentence is one which expresses a request, then command or an order. So all request, command and order comes under imperative sentence. What is the structure? An imperative sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a period. Means there is limited period. एक limited period के लिए it will be applicable. Generally the subject is not mentioned. There is the main indication of imperative sentence. Mostly imperative sentence में subject is not mentioned. Subject mentioned नहीं होता है and only the predicate is expressed. So we are assuming subject in that. For example, please give me a glass of water. So please is indicating request, and who is saying? It is not mentioned, means subject mentioned नहीं है. Other examples are go to school, which is order. Please close the door, which is the, you can say, request. Third, tell me who is, so it can be order. Kindly lend me your book, so kindly is indicating request. Please call your sister is also request. Now next is what is an interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentences is one that asks a question. So whenever some question you are asking, it's related with question or WH words, you can say. What is the structure? An interrogative sentence usually begins with an asking word. It usually किससे start होता है? Asking word होगा. WH word, what, who, where, with the first letter in capital. First letter will be capital, and always ends with a question mark. Main indication of interrogative sentence that there should be question mark. Now let's take example. Do you know that man? So question mark is there, and do is the helping verb which is used as the question word. Now let's take another examples of interrogative sentences. First is, do you know how to write a poem? Second is, did the child eat his dinner? Third is, why did you come late? Fourth one, have you received my gift? And where do you live? Now see, all are question words, but these will come, why and where are WH words. And do, did, have, these are the helping verbs we are using in these sentences as the question words. Now last and fourth one is exclamatory sentence. What are exclamatory sentence? An exclamatory sentence is one which expresses a sudden or strong emotion. जब जिसमें कोई emotion हो, कोई feeling हो, such as happiness, sadness, anger, surprise, fear or excitement, means some sudden emotion or feeling should be there. And what is the structure? An exclamatory sentence cannot be a single word. कोई भी exclamatory sentence एक single word नहीं हो सकते. Yeah, there can be exclamation word which can be single, but exclamatory sentence cannot be single word. It usually begins with a capital letter and ends with an exclamation mark. Main indication that there will be exclamation mark. उसमें exclamation mark होगा. Sometimes a period is used to lessen the force of the exclamation, and sometimes there we are using period, means limited time period is used. Let's take an example. Help, our house is on fire. So exclamation sign is there, and exclamation word which we are using here is help. So you have to find out what are the exclamation word we are using. What a good dinner that was. So exclamation sign is there. Now next is oh my god. O is the exclamation word which is indication the feeling of a sudden. Run for your life, Joes. Now next is forgive me mother, and here comes his wife. So main indication is the exclamation sign, and we are using exclamation words also. Now you can test your skill to see different types of sentences. For example, are you aware of the appointment tomorrow? Interrogative sentence, interrogative question mark is there. Now second one is today is my birthday, that is declarative sentence, and which comes in positive sentence. Next is give me a cup of coffee. It will come under imperative. Why? क्योंकि this is a request. Give me a cup of coffee, or it can be an order also. उसको we can consider it in order also. I hate you. Now exclamation sign, so exclamatory sentence. Are you from Gyan? So question mark is there, interrogative sentence. Please close the door. So please comes in request, so it will come in imperative sentence. Wow. Wow is the exclamation word we are using. What a beautiful dress, again exclamation mark, so it will come under exclamatory sentence. My mother is a doctor. This is a simple sentence with a complete thought, so it will come in the declarative sentence. So thank you students. Stay home, stay healthy, and in my next video I will discuss you about the classification of sentence according to their form. Thank you.